Hello there, in this video I will teach you how you can download The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. So first you need to open a Chrome browser, any browser you want. I'm using Chrome. So search for Steam on your Chrome browser. This will be the first result. Tap on Steam. Install Steam. Alright, from here. Install Steam again. And this will be the Steam application. Double click yes, and then next choose your language. Next choose your location where you want Steam to be installed, and then tap the install button, right? And after that Steam will look like this. Just create an account. If you are new to Steam, create a Steam account for the first time, and then go to store. In the search box, search for The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. Search, and then this is the first result, and add to cart, view my cart, continue to payment. So after you complete payment, after you have done everything, the game will be in your library. So kind of here, and then there will be an install button. Just tap the install button and you are good to go.